Don Reid. I'm the Supervisor of Printing Services here at American River College, and I'd like to walk you through ordering stickers from our new sign shop on our new website. So first thing you do is you log into printshop.arc.losrios.edu using a Chrome browser, and you have your PDF ready that has been designed with cut lines, or you're just going to have a square one just without cut lines. This one that we're going to do has cut lines built into it, and you'll see what that means in a second. So this will be something out of the sign shop, because the print shop would be just basic black and white and color copies. Everything else will be out of our new sign shop. So we'll click on that, and you can see there's lots of options to choose from. What we're going to be using here today is the stickers. So click on that one, and we're going to upload our digital file. It's the first thing we do from every single order that we put together, and I've got a 4x4 sticker right here. You can see that this sticker has got a cut line built into it, and then the image that's supposed to be here as well. So these stickers are 4 inches by 4 inches, and you can see that that number came in by default, but that was just by chance. I'm seeing up here that the file name is 4x4, and so I'm going to make sure that the numbers here are reflective of what the customer is wanting. Now, if they wanted 100, you'll see that one sticker is $5.95 a piece. If you do 100 stickers, that price changes to $84.64. So there's some discount built into these as you get more. We're going to put these onto a fabric material, which will make them removable. But there are several other options to choose from. We've got matte white, vinyl, we've got window privacy screens. That's for putting on a big window. This is just a little sticker, so it'll either be paper or fabric or clear or matte, or right now we're going to just stick with these fabric stickers. So with that, you click yes, we do have the copyright on this, and click add. That job goes into the shopping cart, and we can now hit checkout, where you'll give us a budget number based on your ordering. You're going to have your own unique budget number. Make sure that it is a full and complete budget number according to this syntax. We're going to need to give this job a name, so we'll call this stickers for ARC. Make sure that it's being delivered to the Printing Services Department, which is the department that I'm assigned to. You can check which department you're assigned to right here, and if it's incorrect, please let us know and we'll get you moved to the right place. It's important that you have this be correct, because your charges are based upon which department you work in, as well as where you're going to get the job delivered to, so make sure that's right. And if it's getting delivered someplace else other than your regular department, you could put that note in here, like deliver these to the LRC. And we'll say to Tom. Actually, let's be super verbose here. To Tom in the LRC. And once we hit submit, that job is now in order, and you should be receiving an email confirmation with all of the information about this particular job. So if you've got any questions for us, please reach out by replying to that email, and it will hit each of us, and we'll have all the information we need to look up on this end to answer your questions. Thank you very much. If you've got any questions, please reach out to arcpts@arc.losrios.edu, or give us a call on the print shop over at 484-8562. Me and my staff will be here ready and waiting to help you out. Thank you so much.